Okay, so I'm at John's place. He's very kindly let me have a pootle round the track on my trials bike. Dave, John's brother's just shown me round so I know which way's which. So we're just going to video a little bit so you can see what it's like. This is the start where the motocross start will be. Be a chord across here and you start from here. So we'll just do a loop of the motocross track at very low speed. So if you knew what you were doing, you'd leap over that. And you'd leap over this as well. But then you've got to slow down to get around this corner. Get a bit of speed up here. Down to a banked corner, whatever that's called. Another banked corner. Oh, we've got a big hill. Oh shit. Yeah, a bit of a drop there. I think there's a loop round the caravan somewhere. Yeah. There's a slight extension to the track. Quite sure where you go now. Oh yeah, back in here. We're back to the start. Well, I've got around that all right. I'll be able to pot around that on my enduro bike.